Welcome back. In the last video, we wrote code to programmatically move our trained EffNetB2 model to our Food Vision Mini directory, and we're slowly filling out this demo app for functionality. We now need to create a model Python script to load in this state dictionary. So how do we do that? Well, let's find out. And you might have already done this because I issued the challenge in the last video. So congratulations if you got it working, but let's now do it together, hey? Into a Python script. And I'm going to call this model.py for simplicity and say we have a saved.pth model state dict and want to load it into a model instance. Let's move our create EffNetB2 model function to a script so we can reuse it. Wonderful. So our create, this is actually going to be pretty quick because we've got the functionality ready to go. So this is one of the reasons we turn this into a function. So I'm going to copy this and come back down to here, and then I'm going to write it there. And so there we go. We're done. No, I'm kidding. Let's write this to a file. So how do we write it to a file? Well, we can go write file, which is a magic for Jupyter and Google Colab notebooks. And then this is going to write the contents of this cell to demos/foodvisionmini/model.py. However, what we have to do here is, because it's going to write it as a Python script, we need to import the dependencies that we need for this file. So we need torch, and then we also need torch vision. And then what else does this use? We also need nn. So let's go here, from torch import nn. And let's run this. Beautiful, look at that. Demos Food Vision Mini model.py. Do we have it over here? There we go, model.py. Wonderful. So now we can write something like from demos.foodvisionmini import model, and then we go EffNetB2 model, and then EffNetB2 transforms import equals, I'm doing this so I save it to different variable names, equals model.create EffNetB2 model. Let's see if this works. EffNetB2 model. Boom, there we go. So it works. So now we can reference this model.py script in our app.py script, which is in fact the next step we're going to work on. So we've got tick, we've got tick, we've got tick. Now we need to create app.py. Now this is probably going to be the largest file that's within this, but it's not going to contain anything too drastic. In fact, app.py, all it needs to contain is our Gradio app. So I'm giving you this as a hint so you can try it out. A way to get our example list, and a prediction function, and then just some code up the top to import our EffNetB2 model from model.py. I think that's all we need. So give that a shot, creating app.py. For a little spoiler, you can go to here, Food Vision Mini, Files and Versions, and then there's app.py. That's a bit of a reference. But we're going to create that together in the next video. So I'll see you there.